日本的食食拢是以海产也个肉类为主，所以对外国的素食者、食菜人来讲，伫日本是无啥方便。要过即马伫东京就有一间全部拢卖素食的餐点的餐厅。日本政府即马嘛当地和当地的非政府组织合作，要推广好食的素食料理。
店内煎鸡肉看起来真平常，佮配合塔塔酱真够风味，人客讲加起来酥酥脆脆，感觉一万地咧，而且也够卖纤维感。啊，毋过这个物件全部拢是素的，煎鸡肉是黄豆仔做的。伫东京的这间伊萨卡亚真特别，因为伊是拢素食。
Most of the other izakayas that are already there, they don't really have any options that cater to vegans or some other people with certain food restrictions. And so we really want to create a place where both people who are vegan and people who are not can come together and enjoy the food.
汤三角饭圆煎水饺看起来真简单，煎水饺也真济，而且佫会喷汁。来食人客讲，无感觉水饺是无歹，食起来就甲一般的煎水饺同款，也无菜色水饺的草味。不过，也希望日本的素食文化会愈来愈普遍。
I would say distance-wise, there are few and far in between. So I think that's the difficulty of it. If there were restaurants on every block, I think that would be more accessible to people with my diet.
为扩大旅游业的发展，日本政府办研讨会，和主食专家甲餐厅头家总铺师开发替代菜色，取代用柴鱼片或者是猪骨汤做汤底。
More and more people and also more and more companies are conscious about these topics. That's why it's happening and it's growing.
日本食素的人真少，只占人口4.5%左右。虽然政府或者是非政府组织团体拍拼推广素食，不过依然是较有挑战性。公司新闻新闻配编辑。